This HTML document, here it is parsed by the browser and constructs the following DOM tree. Document. After that, JavaScript is loaded and executed for the first time. Here it is, JavaScript. This JavaScript contains only one function, explanation of that function, opening JavaScript tag, define a JavaScript function named showResults, declaration and initialization of the variables n1 and n2. Here it is. The number function ensures that the values from num1 and num2 are treated as the numbers. JavaScript accesses the innerText property and sets its value to n1 plus n1 plus n2. Closing the function and script tag. Closing function and closing script tag. After loading and executing the JavaScript, the user interface is ready for user interaction. The user types 2+2 and presses check. The button has an onclick attribute that calls the showResults function event handler. A button onclick equals showResult. Only this element is updated and we see 4 instead of 0. This is a manual change of state variable. In the next video, I will show how vanilla JavaScript, React, and Svelte handle reactivity. Resume. Opening the DOM and JavaScript. HTML, DOM, JavaScript, user interface, user action, 2+2, onclick calls showResults, innerText becomes 4 instead of 0. In view page source, innerText is always 0. This means that the browser builds the user interface from the document object model and the JavaScript interacts with the DOM also. The HTML document has finished its role after the browser has built the DOM. Appendix, onclick or onclick, all small cases or camel cases. Use onclick, all lowercase, in HTML. Button onclick equals showResult. In HTML attributes, onclick small case. In JavaScript DOM properties, onclick small cases. In frameworks like React, onclick camel case. Why here is a small case? Because HTML attribute names are case insensitive and are standardized in lowercase. In HTML, the browser treats attribute names like onclick, onclick or onclick, case, small case, caps lock, or camel case. The same, but by convention and specification, they are written in lowercase. Why lowercase specifically? HTML was designed to be case insensitive. So lowercase becomes the standard for consistency. All attributes is small case and also onclick. Browsers internally normalize attribute names to lowercase. Official documentation and best practices use lowercase. Why is it different in React onclick? Because React is JavaScript-based JSX, not pure HTML. In JavaScript, property names are case-sensitive. DOM event properties are written in camel case. Example in JavaScript. Here is lowercase. Example in React, onclick camel case. Summary. HTML, onclick, lowercase, case insensitive. JavaScript DOM, onclick, lowercase, properties. React JS6, onclick, camel case, case sensitive. If you know somebody that needs this video like this one, tell them about. If you like it. If you need, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.